Hi beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jimmy from the Webonaut and this is the Advent Calendar Tricks for Bricks. A little tip per day to give you superpowers in Bricks Builder. Let's celebrate and see what today has to offer. It's almost weekend and it's day 6 of our calendar already, and if you like the tricks I showed you up to now, you're going to love this next one. Imagine using an image with a transparent background and wanting a drop shadow. Well, you might have tried but ended up with this result. Yeah. Well, my friends, this time is over. Let's jump into bricks. Alright, look at what we have. We have here on the left an image, and this image has a transparent background. As you can see here, if I show you the content, you can see there is absolutely no background to this image. However, when I try to apply a drop shadow, as you can see here in the style, you have my box shadow. And I have on the x-axis, I have 3 pixels, y-axis, I have 3 pixels, and on the blur, I have 10, and the color is my variable for the tertiary color. However, you can see it's not taking the shape of the content of the image. And so we're going to find a solution for this. Let's just go here. And we're not going to go into box shadow, but we're going to go directly into CSS. We're going to, of course, target the root. So we're going to put our selector, root, okay, the curly brackets. Then we're going to put filter. And then we're going to use the value drop shadow. And do not put any space, but we're going to put a parenthesis. And we're going to put 3 pixel, 3 pixel, 10 pixel. Whoops. 3 pixel, 3 pixel, 10 pixel. And I'm going to put my variable right here. And look at this. Boom. So let's just go look at the front end. And as you can see, we have a beautiful drop shadow that takes the shape of the transparent image that we have. It's pretty awesome. So why is this? Well, when you have an image with a transparent background, the box shadow is applied to the box of the element. And that means it's taking this rectangular bounding box. Okay, it does not care about transparency inside the image. So even if your PNG has lots of transparent areas, the browser still sees it as a full rectangle. So the shadow is drawn around that rectangle. The drop shadow, on the other hand, works with the alpha channel of the image. And this means it looks at the actual visible pixel and uses those to calculate the shadow. Transparent pixels are ignored, so the shadow follows exactly the outline of the image. And that's just magic. And that's it for today. You can find all the relevant information about today's trick in my community, The Space. It's free to join and I'd be happy to see you there. Link in the description. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's tricks for bricks. As usual, stay sexy, keep spreading love, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye guys!